Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. To understand Krishna is not so easy thing. Manusyanam sahasreshu kaschit jatati siddhaya jatatam siddhanam kaschit vetti mam. Out of many thousands, millions people, one is anxious to make his life successful. Nobody is interested. Practically they do not know what is actually success of life. The modern civilization, everyone is thinking, if I get a good wife and nice motor car and a nice apartment, that is success. That is not success. That is temporary. Real success is to get out of the clutches of Maya, means this material conditional life which comprehends birth, death, old age and disease. We are passing through many varieties of life, and this human form of life is a good chance to get out of this chain of changing body one after another. The soul is eternal and blissful because part and parcel of Krishna, God, Satchidananda, eternal, full of bliss, full of knowledge. Unfortunately, in this material conditional life, we are changing different bodies, but we are not getting situated again in that spiritual platform where there is no birth, no death. There is no science. The other day one psychiatrist came to see me. And where is your education for understanding the soul, its constitutional position? So practically the whole world is in darkness. They are interested with 50, 60 or 100 years of this span of life. But they do not know that we are eternal, blissful and full of knowledge, and due to this material body, we are subjected to birth, death, old age and disease, and this is going on continuously. So Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, out of his great compassion for the fallen souls, he appeared. Krishna comes also. But Krishna is not so liberal. Krishna makes condition. First of all you surrender, then I take charge of. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is more compassionate than Krishna. Although Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the same thing. So, by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mercy, we are so easily understanding Krishna. So that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is present here. You worship him, it is not very difficult. Jaggai sankirtanai prai jajanti hi sameva. Krishna varnam tisha krishnam sangapanga parsanam jaggai sankirtanai. You simply chant Hare Krishna mantra and whatever you can offer Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He is very kind. He does not take offense. Radha Krishna worship is little difficult. We have to worship him with great awe and veneration. But Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has voluntarily come to deliver the fallen souls. Little service, he is satisfied. But do not neglect, because he is very kind and compassionate. That does not mean we should forget his position. He is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So we should offer him very great respect and as far as possible. But the advantage is that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu does not take any offense. And to worship him, to please him, is very easy. Jaggai sankirtanai prai jayanti sune. Simply you chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and dance. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will be very pleased. He introduced this dancing and chanting, and this is the easiest process for God realization. So, as far as possible, if possible 24 hours, okay, that is not possible, at least 4 times, 6 times, chant Hare Krishna mantra before Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and you will get success in your life. This is a path.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.